Ever flick a switch and nothing? It's one of those little frustrations that can totally throw you off. You flip it again, maybe a little harder this time, as if that'll magically fix it. But when the room stays dark, where do you even start? Let's break it down. First, the most obvious suspect, the light bulb. It's often the simplest fix. Before you start thinking about complicated wiring, just try swapping the bulb with one you know works. If the light comes on, congratulations, you've solved it. But if it's still dark, we need to dig a little deeper. Next up, let's check the circuit breaker. Head over to your electrical panel, which is usually in a utility room, basement, or garage. Open the panel door and look for a switch that's out of line with the others. It might be in the off position or stuck in the middle. If you find one, flip it all the way to off and then firmly back to on. This resets the circuit. If it trips again right away, that's a sign of a bigger problem, and it's definitely time to call a professional. Okay, so the bulb is good and the breaker is fine. What now? The issue could be with the switch itself. Over time, the internal parts of a switch can wear out or the wire connections can become loose. This is where things get a bit more hands-on. If you're comfortable with basic electrical work, you can turn off the power at the circuit breaker, and I mean, make absolutely sure it's off, then unscrew the switch plate. Take a look inside. Do you see any loose wires? Sometimes a wire just needs to be resecured under a terminal screw. If everything looks tight, the switch itself might have failed. A new switch is inexpensive and pretty straightforward to replace. But remember, safety is everything. If you have any doubts at all, don't risk it. A licensed electrician can diagnose and fix the problem safely and quickly. So, from a simple bulb swap to checking the breaker and inspecting the switch, you've got a few things you can check yourself. But never hesitate to call in a pro when you're out of your depth. Your safety is always worth more than a quick DIY fix. Thanks for watching. If this helped you out, give us a like and subscribe for more handy tips. See you next time.